welcome to simplifying algebraic terms using division. By the end of this video, I hope you feel confident using division in algebra and how to simplify. So let's take a look. We can simplify fractions by dividing the numerator and the denominator by a common factor. This is the same way that we simplify algebra in algebraic techniques. Let's take a look at 6 over 8. 6 over 8 is the same as 3 times 2 over 4 times 2. It has a common factor of 2. So what we can do is we can cross them off or cancel them. Cancelling is when you divide by a common factor in a numerator and a denominator to simplify a fraction. What we're left over with is just the 3 over 4, or the 3/4. Let's take a look at 2a over 3a. 2a is just 2 times a, and 3a is 3 times a. There is a common factor of a, which I can cancel. This leaves me with just 2/3. The third example, 5ab over 7a, I can write 5ab as 5 times a times b, and I can write 7a as 7 times a. I can see a common factor of a there which I can cancel out. My answer, my final answer, is going to be simplified to 5b over 7. Let's try some examples for yourself. What I think you should do for these ones is pause the video, write them down, and try cancelling any common factors that you might see in those fractions. Okay, let's go through them. 3y over 5xy. Well, 3y is 3 times y, and 5xy is 5 times x times y. There is a common factor of y. Cancel them out, and you're left with 3 over 5x. 2pq over 4p. I've got 2 times p times q. Now there's no 2 down the bottom, but that 4 can be written as 2 times 2. So I'm going to write 4p as 2 times 2 times p. This allows me to see a common factor of 2 that I can cancel, and a common factor of p that I can cancel, leaving with just q over 2. The final example gives me 9mn over 3mn. The numerator can be written as 3 times 3, which is 9, times m times n. This allows me to see the common factor down below of 3 times m times n. I can cancel my 3's, cancel the m's, and cancel the n's. This leaves me with just 3 over 1. Now you might be wondering why I have a 1 on my denominator. Well, the denominator is 1 because we divided the numerator and the denominator by 3mn. And when you divide something by itself, you get 1. So we got 3 over 1. Now 3 over 1 as a fraction is 3 divided by 1. So we can simplify this fully to just 3. And those are our 3 examples. What should you write? A heading of simplifying is a good start, as well as the way that we simplify fractions. Having that important note on cancelling is a good idea, and having those 3 examples and the way that I work them out is good to have in your book so that you can check for tomorrow. Having these 3 harder examples is also a good idea. It'll allow you to try even further problems when you get into your text. And that's it. Hopefully now you feel a little bit more confident simplifying division when using algebra, but you can always ask me questions in class. Good luck.